Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're going to be working again from Sam Jones's book, Whole Hog BBQ. We're not going to be doing the whole hog part. We've done that already. I'll link that up here. And we made the Eastern North Carolina barbecue sauce in that one. But he's got a bunch of recipes from his different restaurants and then sort of a traditional recipe in the area. This is the sweet barbecue sauce, aka bean sauce. And so I think this is from the Sam Jones barbecue section of the book, not the Skylight Inn section, because they don't serve this there. But this is a very simple, sweet, tomato-based barbecue sauce. So, and we're making a small batch. There's not a big batch of this one. So for a lot of them, it's for a whole hog party. You can make a bunch, but that's not this recipe. Although it does make 6 cups. So there is an obscene amount of sugar in this, but okay. So starting here, we're going to mix everything in this bowl, but I already have brown sugar, light brown sugar measured, and we're going to be adding granulated white sugar, already measured. And to this, we're just adding everything into this bowl and mixing it up. And we don't even have to heat this, so that's great. We're just supposed to mix it up until the sugars are well dissolved. So I'm going to put a ton of ketchup in here. He does not call for a particular brand, but you know, I use what I always use here, which is what probably a lot of people always use. So it just is what it is. And then I'm going to use this to measure out some Kraft barbecue sauce. Yes, we're adding barbecue sauce to our barbecue sauce recipe. He says he's not even sure why they do it, but they've been doing it the whole time. So I'm going to be guesstimating this because I didn't realize it doesn't have the right measurement on this larger. That's good enough. I chose the original barbecue sauce instead of any of the other sort of flavors of barbecue sauce that Kraft has. But I'm sure whatever you like will probably be fine. It's not a main component of this. It's mainly ketchup and sugar. And then I've already measured out some yellow mustard. And the only thing I have to measure now is some Worcestershire sauce. So and I got some on my finger. That's okay. There we go. And that's all of the ingredients. And we don't even have to heat it, like I said. So we just have to whisk everything up until the sugar is all hopefully dissolved in this. And everything's all mixed. Okay, I'm about done whisking. Takes some serious whisking until I felt like it stopped sounding gritty, or at least mostly stopped sounding gritty. So that is it for this. He says this will keep in the refrigerator for weeks. There's a ton of sugar and vinegar from the ketchup and all of that. I think you'll be fine keeping this for as long as you need to. But so I have to go find something to put this in and probably measure out the amount I need for my other recipe. So we'll have it all done. We will let you know what we think of this in just a minute. On this episode of Cooking the Books with Heather, you watched me make sweet barbecue sauce, aka bean sauce, from Sam Jones's cookbook, Whole Hog BBQ. And this is probably one of the easiest barbecue sauces you can make. Well, the easiest sweet barbecue sauce you can make, because you don't even have to heat this up. You mix everything up with a whisk. It took quite a lot of whisking for it to not feel like there was still sugar granules in it. So that did take a bit of effort. You could do that with your mixer if you really wanted to. But yeah, just mix it all up, put it in a jar in the refrigerator, and you're done. Ours made, I think, less than 6 cups? Like, the recipe says it makes 6 cups. I feel like ours made less than that because we were able to fit it all into a 1-quart jar. So just if you need 6 whole cups, you probably aren't going to get that out of this recipe. But it's fine. We used it for the beans, which we'll talk about in a minute in another video. And that was good. But we also tried this on grilled chicken, adding it to the chicken in sort of the last 15 minutes or so of cooking once it's mostly cooked, just to, like you do with most barbecue sauce, right? And it was really good. It was sweet. The kids liked it. We liked it. Our wings were smoked, so they made wings, and I didn't cook the chicken. I just made the sauce. But they made wings and legs, and they cooked those with a little bit of smoke on a grill, and also made some buffalo style. And with the buffalo style, I did not taste the smoke as much, but with this sauce, I tasted the smoke, and it went really well with the sauce. So on a smoky wing, I would certainly use this sauce. So, and I have more in the refrigerator still, so we'll be using it for some other things, and I'll let you know what we think of it. But so far, so good. We really like it. And if you've enjoyed watching me make this, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends, and come back and watch me make something else next week.